Hi, class. So I'm going to do the part of my class presentation that is the three different scenarios of what we would do if we are making a hotel reservation. I have my Oscar the Grouch here because he's kind of grumpy, and those hotel operators can be a little grumpy, trust me, I know. And then I have little Kermit the Frog here. He's just trying to make a room reservation. So here we go. Scenario number 1. Ring, ring. Hotel operator. Hi, thank you for calling Hotel Pennsylvania. Room reservations. This is Oscar the Grouch. How may I help you? Hi, my name is Sam. Do you have any rooms available? Hi, Tam. Do you have an arrival date? Yes, my arrival date is November 1st, and my name is Sam. S for sailboat, A for apple, and M for May. I am sorry about that, Sam. I have your arrival date now for November 1st. What would your checkout date be? And how many adults and children will be in the room? I will be leaving November 6th. I will have 2 children and 2 adults with me. I would like a room with a king bed. Do you have a pool? What are the taxes and fees of the hotel? Hi, Sam. For 2 adults and 2 children, you will need a room with 2 queen beds. A king bed will not be enough room. We do have a pool, and we do have taxes. The taxes are 20% here in New York. We also have a hotel fee that we call a facility fee here. It is $35 a night. This is a non-refundable fee. There's also an incidentals of $100 per night. If you do not charge anything to the room, then this is returned at checkout. Scenario number 2. Ring, ring. Hi. Thank you for calling New York Plaza. How may I help you? Hi, I would like to room on April 1st and 10 to the 10th. 2 adults, no children. Great. I have a room with a queen bed, and it will be $150 before taxes and fees. That sounds great. What are the taxes and fees? The taxes will be $20. The hotel resort fee is $50 per night, and the incidentals are $50 per night. Will any of the fees be returned? The incidentals fees of $50 per night will be returned if you do not charge anything to the room. What are the fees for? What will I get for this fee? The hotel resort fee will include a free breakfast, access to the pool, the workout room, internet, cable TV, and turn down service. Okay, thank you. And now our third scenario. Ring, ring. Hi, Heather. Hi, Heather. Speaking. How can I help you? I would like to make a room reservation, please. Hotel operator. Great. When would you like to come? I would like to check in on such and such date. What are your fees? We have fees and the security deposit every night. This is a short scenario of the possible situations that the students may encounter in making a room reservations.